welcome to a special edition to Transhine's blog. We're covering science and service. Many people come in with this problem on their paint job. What's going on and can it be fixed? Always the question. This car is losing its clear coat. It was painted with a primer coat and then they painted it gold, and that would be called the base coat. And then they painted clear paint over that. Now we had a previous discussion about headlight restoration where the clear coat goes bad and then the headlight yellows. The same thing that's going on here is going on down here. The clear coat is burning off. It's slowly drying out and it's turning whiter and whiter until it completely burns off and you're left with the color coat. So people ask, well, can I just buff it off? You can't. You have to repaint the whole surface when it gets this bad. And this is always going to happen most often on the horizontal surfaces, because what happens with the clear coat, the ultraviolet rays ruin it, destroy it, and it will happen on the roof and the trunk first typically. So good luck. Remember, if you need a lead to a body shop in the area, we can help you out there, but as far as fixing this, you're out of luck. If you have more questions about your car, and just add them to the comment section and we'll solve them for you. We have an answer for every possible thing. Comments are always welcome. Thanks for tuning in. We'll look forward to hearing from you.